Hi everyone! My name's Chelsea and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this lovely handmade Christmas card using cupcake cases. For this Christmas tree card craft, you are going to need 3 green cupcake cases. If you cannot find green ones, you could always paint the cupcake cases you have to hand or experiment with dyeing them using inks. Then you need a piece of card just smaller than A5 to construct your Christmas tree card on. Take each green cupcake case and fold it in half, and then fold it in half again to create quarters. Repeat this for all 3 cupcake cases. Now construct your Christmas tree on the piece of card. Start with the bottom third, placing it just below the halfway mark of your piece of card. You can choose to glue down the folded cupcake case layers, but I have left mine so they are a little bit springy and 3D. The next cupcake case goes in the middle of the Christmas tree and can be glued overlapping the bottom part of the tree slightly. Then add the top part of your Christmas tree. After you have the main Christmas tree shape, you can add decorations. Break out the random crafty bits and pieces you have to hand and let loose decorating your cupcake case tree. You can also use colourful pens to add a tree stump and a Christmas greeting to the front of your card. Last of all, glue the whole thing to a folded piece of colourful A4 card. Now you just need to add a lovely Christmassy message inside and decide who to send your handmade Christmas card to. We have heaps more Christmas card ideas to share. Make sure to check out the Twinkle Crafts website for tons of Christmas card inspiration. See you in your next craft project. Bye!